Need to turn your overhead lamp holder into a 3-prong outlet? Menards website shows a cover plate with both a lamp socket and a 3-prong outlet from a nationally recognized brand, complete with ETL certification. When I went to buy one, the salesman could only direct me to an unbranded part with a different SKU at a lower price. This part is not certified by any nationally recognized testing laboratories, and it's easy to see why not. There's no porcelain to prevent the ground prong from making contact with the hot circuit. The ground prong is not aligned with its hole in the plate, and inserting a grounded plug pushes the ground wire towards the hot wire. Sparks are the result, and that's the source of a fire hazard. I wouldn't be surprised to find thousands of these already littering homes, waiting for somebody to insert a 3-prong outlet before causing catastrophe. My other plate has already damaged an LED shop lamp. Menards might be wise to hire a few product analysts to spot check its inventory rather than to wait for bad publicity and/or a catastrophe.